How to log into Scotia credit card online account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to teach you guys on accessing your Scotiabank credit card online account. So let's dive right into the steps. First of all, you have to launch any web browser and go to scotiabank.com. Next, you have to select the sign in option to open a new page, which is located in the right side of the screen that is highlighted in red color. Click on it. And once you do that, you will be landed to the login portal where you have to enter your username or your card number in the first box, followed by the correct form of your password. And if you'd like this system or Google Chrome web browser to remember your credentials for the future logins, remember to check this option over here. But if you're using a public or shared computer, do not check this box for the security reasons. And after you have entered all of your credentials correct, you can click on the sign in option to sign into your Scotiabank. And if you need any help signing in, or if you have forgotten your ID or password or anything like that, you can go to the link of need help signing in and you can directly contact to the Scotiabank official desk and they'll help you. Once you're logged in, you will reach the Scotia online banking dashboard, and here navigate to your credit card option through the menu, and upon entering your credit card account, you can easily check your current balance, recent transactions, due dates, and more. To apply for a new credit card, compare the card features, benefits, and fees as well. And after selecting a desired card, click on it and hit apply. Complete the form with your details to proceed with the application. So that's all for this guide. For more queries and clarifications, drop a comment below and remember to like and subscribe for additional tutorial like this. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.